What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video you are going to see how to use Facebook Reels. So to do that, let's head over to our Facebook application. So once you are there, you will find your Facebook account, and if you want to log into another account, just head over there and then tap on the three lines on the top right, and in here go to your account and scroll down, and here you will find the option of Reel just beside the option Live. Head over to Reel, and here you have to select any video you want or any picture you want. So suppose I'm gonna select any video, like suppose we take a picture like this. So now you have to go to this edit option. So if you want to edit, you can just edit in here. You can add any audio or text, and you can also use it to fingers to zoom in, and you can replace crop, mirror or split from here. And once you are done with it, just tap on done and then tap on next. And in here you can post it on your Instagram if you have it connected via Meta, and you can tag people, add your location, add any AI level if you want, and add the topics. And you can also give captions or hashtags or mentions in here. And once you are okay with it, you can either download it by tapping the download icon just beside share now on the lower left corner, and you can also tap on share now, and once you tap on share now, your reel will get uploaded. So as you can see in my on uploading, the reel is showing, and once it is uploaded it will be shown in my feed. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.